Hello, this is Pontsho and welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video with your friends. This video is about family member names in Sesotho. Learn the vocabulary. Me, mother. Me. This word has a double consonant. Ntate, father. Ntate, father. Ngwana, child. Ngwana, child. Ngwana, child. Ausi, sister. Ausi, sister. Abuti or abuti, brother. Abuti, brother. But because I'm from Bloemfontein, we just say abuti. Or we don't even say abuti, we say obuti. Ngkono, grandmother. Ngkono, grandmother. Ntate moholo, grandfather. Ntate moholo, grandfather. Malome, uncle. Malome, uncle. Rakgadi, aunt. Now this is your aunt from your father's side of the family. Paternal aunt, rakgadi. Rakgadi. Your maternal aunt, mangwane. Mangwane. Your father's brother is rangwane. Rangwane. Motswadi, parent. Motswadi, parent. So a girl child is ngwana wa ngwanana. Ngwana wa ngwanana. A boy child is ngwana wa moshanyana. Ngwana wa moshanyana. You can also say ngwana wa moshimane. Moshimane, boy. Ngwanana, girl. Mme, ntate, ngkono, ntate, moholo. Rakgadi, mangwane, malome, rangwane. Ausi, abuti, ngwanana, moshanyana. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.